What's going on, guys? So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to download and install Spotify in Windows 10. So it comes pre-installed with Windows 11 but not with Windows 10. So let's fix that. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Microsoft Store. Okay, so you're going to open up Microsoft Store right here, give it a sec to load, and here you can search for Spotify. Okay, or it's just here. Okay, you can just click on that, Spotify Music. Get some time to load and click on get. Let it load, give a second. Okay guys, so that took a while, but yeah, so it's downloaded and installed. So now you can just click on open and you can log in into your Spotify. Okay, so you can even go into your start bar right here. Spotify should be there. See here, it says new, right click on it and you can just pin to taskbar, so make sure Spotify's here. So that's how to download and install Spotify on Windows 10. So that's all for this video, guys. If it helped you, do leave a like, share and subscribe. So that's all for me. Thanks for watching, folks.